Want to know how to reduce import tariffs for your LED high bay? Maybe you can choose an SKD product. Today, I will show you a most easy to assemble high bay light, HB53. The inform of me is HB53. Let's take a see how easy assembly is and how much time will take. What an incredible! We just take 2 minutes to assemble HB53 and only use 2 tools, which means you can deliver products to your customers in the shortest time possible. As you can see, the process is very easy. Besides, it has 4 power selectables, which will help you save inventory charge and release pressure on cash flow. Indeed, for installation, we provide hanging and selling mounting for different projects. Contact us right now to have your SKD high bay.